Okay, welcome back. I'm going to show you a very short and sweet recipe that you can use at home for a simple naan bread or flatbread. Can be used at lunchtime or a nice naan bread to go with your curry. It's as simple as self-raising flour, 3.5 cups of self-raising flour, and plain yogurt, usually Greek yogurt. If you just use plain yogurt, that's all we could get. There's 1.5 cups of that. I'm just going to take the Kenwood mixer with the dough hook attachment on. The flour is going to go in. Sorry, just scoop in the yogurt. Hear the dogs barking in the background. Okay, that goes down. And then we're just going to put it on at a gentle speed. Not too fast, otherwise the flour is going to go all over. A little bit faster than that. There we go. Okay, then once you get the first bit of dough coming together, then I've measured off 2 tablespoons of water in here. And then I'm gonna drop in about 1 tablespoon of water at a time till it starts to come together. Every time you make it, it will be a little bit different. So it's not a type of recipe that you need exact figures. You must see how it starts to come together. You can see it's coming together, but it's struggling a little bit along the side. So we're going to add some more water, and that should be it. Finally coming together nicely. You want it to all come around the dough hook, basically. Okay. Also, don't overwork it. As soon as it's come together nicely. Now you can turn it off. Wrong way. Lift it up. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, then we're just going to take a plate and put these on a plate to rest. Usually I would rest it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Lucy, you can put that in the fridge. Okay, that's been in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to just put them out. Put some cake flour on top, and Mia's gonna roll it for us. Can you roll it for me, Mia, please? Okay. Okay, more to the end. Not there. There we go. Okay, hold it, and there. No, that way. That's perfect. Okay, just make sure it doesn't stick too much. Okay. There we go. Okay, alright, I've just put the heat up a little bit on our pan, our skillet. Feels nice and hot now. We're going to take our naan that Mia rolled out flat for us. In the pan it goes. I like to just flavor it a little bit with some olive oil again. If you want to make garlic naan or butter naan, it's the same thing. You just melt some butter and add your butter, or the same thing, just mash up some garlic with butter and apply it to your naan. Okay, just got to make sure you want it to char a little bit, but you don't want it to burn. That's good. I'm going to move it around a little bit so it doesn't start catching. I can see lots more smoke coming up, so I'm going to turn it down again. Get my lift underneath there. Turn it over. Okay. Don't also think of adding oil to the pan, because the oil's going to burn. Once it reaches that smoking point or burning point, there's no coming back from it. So rather keep it a dry pan, and if you're going to add any flavoring, doing it to the actual pastry or dough itself, you know. Oh, beautiful color now. That's the side that I applied the olive oil to. It's bubbled up nicely. Some people add soda water to their naan to add even more bubble effect. But you know, at home you want something really simple, and it's basically 2 ingredients that you're throwing together. Roll it out in a pan. Okay, that's it. Enjoy.